Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate Ustream Producer, see if I can do this really fast. I'm going to go to Ustream. That's ustream.tv.com. I'm going to log on over here. So I'm going to log on. My username is 11. My password is a big secret. I'm going to go to my show page or create another show. So I'm going to create another show. I'm going to call this Escape from the Textbook. This is all, can all be changed later. And I'm going to create that. I get a show information window that I can choose all this information, education, technology seems to be the closest. And show tags will be math and textbook and CIT. You can choose a channel picture that we should do later, paste in a little description, save that. And so now I've created the show called Escape from the Textbook. I'm going to go to the show page, Escape from the Textbook, and it brings up the information on that particular page. Now here's the key here. So I want to get this embed tag for the show. This is the tag I'm going to take for the actual video. So I select all, I copy, and for now I'm just going to paste it into a new doc, and I'll come back to that later. So I'm going to paste that as plain text. And there's another link here that says embed the social stream. I'm not exactly sure what that is. You can explore that later. But I know I also want the chat. So I'm going to take the chat piece, and I'm going to paste this in here also. Now, in first class, I can actually take these two things in first class. This is for Henry's knowledge. I'm going to go to my first class desktop, and there's a place in here, I can show you this later, there's a place in here where I can create a web page. I'm going to go to Tips and Tutorials and make a new web page, blank, and call that Escape from the Textbook. And then I'm going to paste in this code. And I'm just going to put in, just so that we can see this live feed is below. And we're going to put in chat here, just to see what happens with this text. And the last thing you got to do here is you've got to customize this text. We have to format it as HTML, so we're formatting the selection, marking it as HTML. We're going to do the same thing here. Format the selection, mark it as HTML, and now theoretically that is our chat window. So if I go to the correct page, which is blue.urbschool.org/answers. This does not need to be where it ends up, but it's where it is right now. And I go to Tips and Tutorials, and I go to Escape from the Textbook. You can see that there it is. It's all waiting to go. Still not sure what all this is, but let's see if we can make some sense out of this. So let's set that aside. There's no actual show running right now, so let's see if we can get that show started. So I have a program that's free, which is called Ustream Producer. So I downloaded that for free. I'm going to make a new show. Now this is just an alternative to using the online version of the broadcaster, because the online version doesn't seem to work. currently with the Mac and the current flash. So I'm going to log in here. Same login as before. This integrates right with Ustream. I'm going to log in, and I'm going to keep this window open so you can kind of see what happens over here. So this is live. There's nothing there right now. And what I need to do is I need to add in a live shot. So if I go to live input, and my live shot is going to come from my I'm sorry about that. It's going to come from the camera over on my computer. And this is what I would be broadcasting. So if I click broadcast, theoretically, it should show in a second or two on this side that I'm on the air. Oh, I know. I'm looking at the wrong show. How does it know what show I'm in? Oh, no, there we go. So there we go. We're on. We click accept. We're on the air. We click that, and here there's the ad that you're going to see. Right? And in a second it's going to disappear. I think it only shows once. And then it'll go away here in a second. So there I am. There is a delay here in a second. And you're not actually seeing me here. Oh, there's more ads are in here. They keep popping in here. Isn't that wonderful? So we might consider going to the Pro version, but just so that you can see that it works. And you can see that there is a delay, which is a little weird. But you won't know the delay because you're not watching it that way. And so here, let's move this out of the way for a second. So here I am, the camera person controlling this. I'm going to click on chat, which is going to open up a separate chat window. Theoretically, should work, right? That should work, right. So here's escape from that. I gotta kind of move things around. So here I am, the controller. I'm gonna say a note to the audience. Hello, audience. Say a note to the audience. Hello, audience. And there's the audience side. Audience is on. There's the audience side. Keep back on audience. Here's the audience saying, keep back on audience. I am here. I am here. Can't spell. And oh, it's going to ask me to log in. What a drag. It's going to ask me to log in. That's a drag. So you've got to be a Ustream user. There's got to be a way around that. So I can just simply climb. I guess you have to sign up. So I'm going to sign on right now. That you can do anything. So I'm going to use a username that is. Actually, I'm going to use my email address as my username. Use my email address as my username. That's interesting. I'm just going to use H11 as my username. My password is secret. My username. Password is secret. My password is secret. Ooh, it's not secret anymore. My email will be. This is. I'm just gonna make this up. Say I was born in 1948, which I'm not. Say I was born in 1948, which I'm not. NJ9HR. Submit. Does it let me in? Submit. Does it let me in? It doesn't like that because there's already an H11 there, so I'm going to do. Like that because there's already an H11 there, so I'm going to do. 11 at Gmail. 11 at gmail.com. Submit. Submit. Okay. Links mode is disabled. Should be working now. I am here as the audience. Allows me to send. And now I'm doing it correctly. Hello, how 11. Spelled hello wrong. Spelled hello wrong. And now we are chatting. We're all in one window. So this is what the user's going to see once they've logged in. And it should work. Let's see how we do with that. Bye.
Should work. Let's see how we do with that. Bye.
Oh, by the way, I can click record. And I'm both simulcasting and recording at the same time. And then there's a way to take that final recording and put it onto the end page, so that at the end of the workshop, you can just click the end of the links there, and you'll get those pieces already saved. So that's worth testing out. I think that's enough information for you to give this a whirl at your end and see if you can pull this off. Okay? See ya. Hope to meet you soon.
Okay? See ya.
Where am I?
Hope to meet you soon. Where am I here?